Hey guys, so I'm going to build a light-based theremin with my new Parallax Stampworks kit. So here's the board, and the speaker's right there, and we're going to use a basic stamp, which is right there, and the pieces that we're going to need are a 470 ohm resistor. That's this guy right here. This is a 0.1 microfarad capacitor, and this right here is a light sensor, a photoresistor. So we're going to use these pieces, and we're going to make a theremin. So the first thing I need to do is I'm going to hook up the resistor to pin 1 of the BS2, which is right here. Okay, and we're going to plug the photoresistor in. Right here. And I'm going to plug the capacitor in between the two. I don't really know why, because I don't know that much about electronics. But that's what we're going to do. And we're going to connect the other pin of the photoresistor to ground. So that's right here. Make sure I'm not shorting anything out on the legs. And then we're going to hook pin 0 right here from the basic stamp to the speaker. Now, assuming that I did this right, nothing will light on fire. So here's the program that we're using. So you can see that the speaker is pin 0, and the pitch control, which is the photoresistor, is pin 1. And the TA DJ, that's the tone adjustment, and the FADJ is the frequency adjustment. This is basically just one of the programs out of the book here, but it's pretty small. It's nice. And we'll go ahead and upload this to the basic stamp. Oh, helps if you plug it in. Alright. So let's plug in the stamp and turn it on. So far so good. Let's upload the program, and let's see if this thing works. Pretty cool.